Hello, everyone. Find a calm place and take a deep breath. Now repeat these lines or just listen. Here we go. I am beginning this day calmly. I am here. I am present. I am grateful for a new morning. I am grateful for this day, just as it is. I am content with where I am right now. I do not need to rush myself. I am allowing my mind to settle. I am breathing in steadiness. I am breathing out tension. I am clear and focused as I start my day. I am able to pay attention. I am open to learning. I am willing to try. I am responsible for my choices today. I am showing up with effort. I am doing what I can, one step at a time. I am patient with myself as I learn. I am steady, even if something feels challenging. I am allowed to ask questions. I am allowed to take my time. I am respectful of myself and others. I am listening carefully. I am speaking thoughtfully. I am choosing kindness in small ways. I am aware that my actions matter. Responsibility for what I do today. I am learning from each experience. I am calm when things go well. I am calm when things feel difficult. I am capable of handling this day. I am grateful for the effort I will make. I am grateful for the people around me. I am grateful for the chance to grow. I am not comparing myself to anyone else. I am focused on my own path. I am ready to begin. I am carrying clarity, responsibility, and calm into this day.